Good morning, all. Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update for this Wednesday, the 24th of March, 2021, and we're right now about 8:25 a.m. Central Time. You have a mixed day in the stocks. They're basically higher, so I guess I'm wrong in saying mixed. They are up right across the board. I question if this isn't just a bounce in the market and whether it can hold. We'll get to that in the evening updates, but I'm watching that right now. In the gold and the silver market, a bounce, a nice one, even with the dollar 21 points higher and just about all the currencies today lower against it, including the yen, which yesterday was the only currency basically up with the dollar. Most currencies are down against it. The rationale being, just so, I might even do a special report on this, it's COVID. It's what's happened in parts of Eastern Asia. It is what's going on certainly in Europe. And the market was not expecting these delays in getting the COVID vaccines out and all the bickering that is going on with it. So the dollar wins because of that, all right? And that's just the simple reality. As we're watching the energy markets, well, when you look at those energies and you see they're up nearly $2 a barrel, the Suez Canal is having a serious issue. A major ship, and I'm talking one that if you tip it over from stern to keel, what do you have? It's as tall as the Empire State Building, and it got pushed to ground, but in an area that blocks the entrance to the Suez Canal. So smaller ships are trying to make it through, but the larger ones can't. There's already, from what the reports, about 30 ships backed up, 51 ships a day or so make it through there. So if you back these up, you start hurting world trade. Why? 12% of the world trade goes through the Suez Canal. So be it LNG, which is liquid natural gas, whether it's the chips, automakers. I'm already hearing because of this that different automakers are now going to cut production back of some of the worst selling models, their lower selling ones, and just produce the better selling ones, but that could even be cut back if they don't get chips out there. So this is causing issues. With a tight used car market, it's pretty impressive. The U.S. MBA mortgage market, down 2.5% in the headline number, down 5.1 on the refi, but the purchases stayed strong. People still need the homes, not a lot going there. Remember, we've had weak data all week long on existing home sales and new home sales, so that's interesting too. Advanced durable goods orders, this took a hit, down 1.1%. And if you take a look at advanced durable goods, ex-transportation were down. So these are not pretty numbers right there. And as we take a look at some of the other reports, and I'm talking about Europe, what you will see is that Europe is coming out with good numbers on PMIs, both manufacturing and service. There's a problem, though, that they're having, and that was prior to them going into lockdowns. Now, today, German Chancellor Merkel has reversed herself again, and she's decided that there should not be a lockdown for Easter. And that was a rough decision that she made, and she was going into that. So she's reversed course, but I think it's just for that holiday, which will spread the COVID more, and then she'll tell people they have to lock in. But, politics being what they are, that's a pretty rough holiday to tell people they can't go visit their family. So you put it all together, it's going to be an interesting day, that's for sure. Now, I am working on a bunch of projects for you. You know that I'm finishing up right now the online Enhanced Bollinger Band course. My morning subscriber videos, we're trying to get these out now within 3 to 10 minutes of me finishing recording. That includes rendering time, everything else. Will we run into little bumps? We are, but we've already cut the time down by 40 minutes. We think we can get into a much shorter time frame than that. So fingers crossed, we're doing it, and I think the quality of the videos are just stellar. So I'm Ira Epstein. You have yourself a good day, and I want to remind you about pivot points. This happens to be a tool that I use as I'm looking to enter markets. I have certain buy and sell points, but during the day, I will look to see what is the range doing of the day, where do these numbers come in. We teach the formula for them, and they are popular as can be. From that formula, we teach you how to work with the resistance and the support zones. And from there, I tie in with it how to work slow stochastics with them. So you get an idea as it approaches a number, is it gathering more strength or going to loosen that? So I use it in that way. If you're interested in taking this free, and this is totally free course, it's simple. Just call my staff, go to our website, under free offers, it's right there, sign up. I'm Ira, you have a good morning.